Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys can see me pretty well. It's finally sunny here, yay. No, it's finally sunny here, and I was trying to use some of the sunshine because it's been freaking weeks since we had sunshine, and I'm like, I need to just let the sunshine in. But unfortunately too, kind of where I live at, it's like, I don't know, it'd be really dark. So I'm just like, let me, use some of this natural light or whatever. But anywho, hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Thursday, and I do apologize for, kind of being a little late. Like I'm a week late on putting a video up. I recorded a whole video with a Valentine's Day look because obviously today we are doing a Valentine type tutorial, but I did one last week and recorded the whole thing, and then to find out it didn't even record. Yeah, so I do apologize. But I'm back and I want to do another one to it. It is, oh, and I just want to say, on top of all of this, I want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channels, my new subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Of course, I do be checking you guys out. I be, commenting. I love watching you guys' videos on top of, some of the new subscribers that I just subscribed to myself, so thank you guys, and let's continue to put out this great work, okay, you guys? So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right in. Of course, like I said, it is a Valentine's Day look, so we are going to do some type of Valentine's Day color. But on top of that, I wish I could show you guys, but my sister had bought me this like, shout out to my sister. Thank you so much for getting me what you got, and she knows exactly what I'm talking about, and I'll probably show you guys. It's nothing, it's just like one of those little where you can put your brushes and your concealers and all that stuff in, and it makes it so less congested where I do my work at. So it's kind of like, thank you, it helps so much, thank you. And then, what's so messed up though? You know how you look at something? Okay, I'm gonna get started. I just haven't been on here in a while. But you know how you look at something, you be like, okay, I need to go get that, or I need to buy it. You have the money, but you still don't buy it. This is one of them type of things. This is one of them ordeals right here. But anywho, I still want to say thank you anyway. Shout out to my sister. But anywho, we're going to go in with my favorite palette, of course, the Beauty Glaze, and the, I do my transition colors. My my face is already primed, my eyebrows is done, and we're going to use the color bronze.
Alright, my subscribers, know. I got you. No, I'm just rambling. How's everybody been going? Like, I thought I haven't been on here in a long time. So how's everybody,
Love Reese sticks. He know I love makeup, so he'll do something in between that line, stuff like that. But as far as like going all out and like just, no, we don't do all that. And then of course I do get, my kids like a little bag, and we're just transitioning right now. Okay, yeah, I like that. We're just transitioning right now. And I do give, my kids like a little bag of goodies also. But other than that, we don't really do too much. Not to take from anybody who do, you know what I mean? I'm just like, we don't really light. Now we're about to start getting a little darker, So I'm going to go in with the color burgundy. Burgundy. And we're gonna place it right there. We're gonna place it right here. This is also in the same Beauty Glaze palette, you guys.
I'm just gonna take it and go. I kind of like draw a line first, and then I start to blend.
Me likey. Me likey. Okay, so we're gonna go back. And we're gonna do the other side. You see? Brush. This is a little darker. I don't know if you can see it, but it's It's a little darker. And I'm just gonna kind of, get that together. Okay, I like that with this palette that my homegirl had got me, or she gave to me, should I say, and use the maroon type color and kind of just outline, you know. Yeah, just outline, you know. And it kind of gives it that more of a bolder type look. Like, honey, I have arrived. Not that crazy.
Yeah, I usually concentrate.
We're gonna use Valentine and Sweet. Sweet is like a beigey color, so we'll probably put that on top, and then we'll do the Valentine. It's kind of more of my shirt color. So we're gonna see how that turns out. Don't want this one. Oh, I like this brush. I love this brush. But anyways, I'm going in also with another Wet n Wild flat brush like so. And we're going to go in with the color Sweet, because I'm sweet. Like that product off. And we're just gonna pop that right there over that whole lid. And Sweet, as you can see, my palette's a little dirty, but Sweet right here, it's like a beige, like what's going on my lid. It's like a beigey type. I don't know. It's pink though. It's like I have no idea.
So we're just gonna pop that on there. Then we're gonna go back and we're going to pop that on this side. And of course.
And with the pink, I told you like this. It's called Valentine. We're going to go in with the Valentine, and we're going to just put that on top. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, I say it one more time. And then I'm just going to take my brush and kind of just a little bit just to get that. Add it right here. And then do a little wink line, and then we're good to go on that part.
Hey, I like it.
Okay, so first things first is I go in, gonna take it and line it with your line that you use to do your cut crease. Okay. Okay, like so. And then I'm going to put a little glitter. We're going to do a little glitter. Just a little bit. And for I like to take something because the fallout be real. And place it under here. My sponge. That's what I like to use. And like I said, we are going to use a little purple today. Okay. I like that. Makeup. This beautiful eyeshadow. That's what I get. This beautiful eyeshadow. I'm going to finish. We're done with
that, as you can see. And I'm going to
finish my makeup, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Thank you guys so much, and until next time, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I love you guys. Peace, love, and happiness from your lady, Mizz E. Love ya. Hey you guys, I'm back, and I wanted, of course, to show you guys the finished look. This is it for our Valentine's Day, little, whatever you may call it, tutorial eyeshadow look, going out with your husband, going out with your girlfriends, whatever you want to call it. This is it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my little tutorial. And until next time, peace, love, and happiness from your girl, Mizz E. Stay positive. I love you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can, and that notification so you'll know when I put another video up. But thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. And until next time, be easy.